Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Easter Yardstick Door Swag. It could also be used as a centerpiece or a garland. For this door swag, you're going to need one large bunny sign from Dollar Tree, and you're going to need 4 rolls of the 10-inch deco mesh. You will also need a yardstick, and you might want to paint it first and let it dry. You're going to need some ribbon with wire, some styrofoam, Easter eggs, some of the little Dollar Tree twine carrots, and I think that's about it to get started. You will also want your hot glue gun and glue sticks, your scissors, some floral wire, and pipe cleaners too. So first you're going to take your yardstick, move down about 2 inches, take a pipe cleaner, twist it around it, and make it go on the left side. Then you're going to take a second pipe cleaner, twist it around it on the right side. Then you're going to take a third pipe cleaner, twist it around the yardstick, and leave it pointing toward the ceiling. After you have that first set done, you're going to move down 4 or 5 inches and do another set of 3 pipe cleaners. So I did a total of 7 sets all the way down the yardstick. Today is March 1st, 2022, so happy March, and guess what? It's time for my March giveaway. For this month's giveaway, I'm going to be giving away one $50 gift card to Hobby Lobby to one lucky winner. To enter my giveaway, you're going to want to, in the comments section on all of my videos this month, write the word March giveaway. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like the video, leave a comment. If you can, share this video, and if you share it, let me know because that will be an extra entry. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated with YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do a little something to say thank you, and you must be 18 years or older and a U.S. resident. I will write the rest of the details in the description box below for my March giveaway. After you have your pipe cleaners added, then next you're going to cut your 10-inch mesh at 22 inches. Now you won't want to cut all 4 rolls up, save one because we're going to do the bubble method down the center of the yardstick. So don't cut all of them into 22-inch strips. You can make this for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for Easter. I have lots of yardstick door swag tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if you want to see something different, let me know and I can try to link it. I also have a yardstick door swag playlist if you'd like to check that out too. Okay, so I have cut all 2 rolls of my pink mesh into 22-inch strips and 1 roll of the purple mesh into 22-inch strips. Now I'm going to be working down the center of the yardstick, so I'm taking my roll of purple deco mesh and I'm going to make a poof or a puff for the very top of the yardstick. Now you'll also want to make a poof or puff to match the top one for the bottom of the yardstick door swag. So I just made a poof. Now I'm going to the top of my yardstick, going to the pipe cleaner in the center pointed toward the ceiling, going to place my deco mesh in it, push my mesh down to the yardstick, and twist my pipe cleaner around it. Next you're going to take your mesh, move down about 8 inches, gather your mesh together, make a bubble or poof, whatever you would like to call it, and we're going to the second set of pipe cleaners, the one in the center, twist it around the mesh, fluff your bubble, let out more mesh, move down about 8 inches, make another bubble, go to the third set of pipe cleaners, use that pipe cleaner that points toward the ceiling, twist it around the mesh, and you're going to do these same steps all the way down the yardstick, then at the end make another poof to match the one at the top. Next, we're going to make some ruffles to go down the center. So you're going to take your mesh that's cut at 22 inches, let it curl toward the ceiling, roll each end a few times, then walk your fingers to the center until they meet, then go to the top of your yardstick, the first set of pipe cleaners, that center one pointed toward the ceiling, put your little ruffle in it, and twist the pipe cleaner around it and fluff it. And then you're going to do these same steps all the way down the center of your yardstick. So this is how it looks with ruffles and bubbles down the center of the yardstick. So next we're going to be working on the left and right side of the yardstick door swag. We are going to be making more ruffles, and I am going to be using two colors. Now I am going to put my purple ruffle on the bottom and the pink ruffle on the top. Now I am going to the top left side of the yardstick, just placing my ruffles in the pipe cleaner and going to give the pipe cleaner a few twists. Now I'm going to do these ruffles all the way down the left side and all the way down the right side of my yardstick door swag. Make sure you fluff your ruffles as you go, and this is how it looks with all of the ruffles added. It's nice and full and fluffy, so it makes a really full and fluffy yardstick door swag. I really like the colors and how full it is, so I think it's perfect for Easter. Next, I'm adding my adorable little bunny from Dollar Tree. I just took the twine out and I'm using some floral wire. I just threaded it through the little holes at the top of the ears, threaded it through the mesh, went to the back of the yardstick, twisted the wires, then I folded them, cut them off and folded them down. My daughter made this beautiful flower or bow for me. I told her she needs to do a tutorial for y'all. I said that is just too cute. I've got to use it on my wreath. Next, I'm tying a bow with some Dollar Tree Easter ribbon, and I also tied a bow for the bottom and a bow for the top. This Dollar Tree ribbon is not that easy to work with. It doesn't make the prettiest bow. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I have a bow playlist, so if you don't like this bow, you can let me know and I can try to link another bow tutorial for you, or you can just search my channel. But here I just made it with several loops. I decided I was going to use almost the whole roll of ribbon to make this bow. And I did make a smaller one that I put at the very top, just above that pretty mesh flower or bow that my daughter made for me. To attach the bow, I just took the wires on the bow, threaded it through the deco mesh on the left and right side of the yardstick, went to the back, gave the wires a few twists, cut them off short. And then I did add more ribbon. Then I added some cute styrofoam Easter eggs from Dollar Tree, added some of those little twine carrots also from Dollar Tree, and I took some ribbon from Dollar Tree. I just took it at the top, put it in some pipe cleaners, gave the pipe cleaner a few twists, then I moved down to another pipe cleaner. I kind of zigzagged it across the swag until I decided that I had enough ribbon on it. I believe I added 2 rolls of the Dollar Tree ribbon, and then the little bunny is so cute, just like she is, but my daughter and I decided she needed a pearl necklace on, so we made her a little necklace. Dollar Tree also has a little boy bunny, so you can get the boy and girl bunny. And if you watched my Dollar Tree, my shopping haul, my last one, you got to see a lot of the cute new things Dollar Tree has out for Easter and spring, plus some of the other stores I shopped at. And that's the way she looks attached to the wreath. And then here I am adding some more ribbon because I love lots of ribbon on my wreaths. Once you know for sure that you're through with your pipe cleaners, then you can cut them off short and fold them down. And that's kind of like the very last step you'll want to do. And then on a lot of the pipe cleaners, we just hot glued a styrofoam Easter egg over the top of the pipe cleaners. To hang up this yardstick door swag, you're going to want to drill a hole in the top of the yardstick and add some twine or wire to be able to hang it up on your door. And this would also make a very pretty and full centerpiece or a garland. A lot of people tell me they like to make them to put on their front porch railing. And here we're just hot gluing on some pearls to make her pearl necklace. And this is how it looks hanging on my door. It's dark outside, so I couldn't take it outside to film this video, but it is really pretty and colorful, and the lighting just doesn't do it justice. But I hope you enjoyed watching me make it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you share this video, make sure you let me know.